Hey guys, how's it going? Meddler here. I just wanted to do this might be a bit of a shorter video, but I just wanted to do a quick video to talk about a package I just got in the mail today. I've been excited for this ever since I saw Rook Knight posting his video on these locks, and I even told him it's his fault that I ended up going and buying one. I'm a little too impatient to do unboxing videos. I had to open it the second that I got it, but I did order a Paclock PL410-PRO. This one I got custom with green and black. Rook Knight had done red and black because those are his favorite colors and that's his channel colors, so I did green and black because that is my channel colors that I'm using, at least for now. So I figured I'd show this off, and I probably won't get an open, but I figured I'd pick at it for just a minute and just see what happens. It'd be kind of cool if I got an open right off the bat on camera, but at the same time I kind of want this to be a fun challenge. And there's the key for this one. Excited about that. 7 pins. This is my first 7-pin lock of any sort. So, and I'm using one of my thicker tension wrenches, top of the keyway, and 15 thousandths to get up to the top right now. I haven't really tried any thicker, but this seems to be working okay. All right, so start in the back here. Little click on 7. That's weird to say, click on 7. Six feels pretty stiff right now. There we go. There's a little click on 6. So here's 7, 6, 5. Click on 5. I just heard a bunch of stuff drop when I clicked 4 in. We'll go back and check that out in a second. 2 feels loose. 1's pretty loose as well. Okay, head back to the back. Let's see what we lost. Okay, click on 7. Six feels springy. Click on 5. Four feels loose. Nothing on 3. 2 and 1 are both loose. Let's go through this one more time. Click on 6. I've picked this a little bit. I haven't gotten it into any sort of false set yet or anything like that. So 5 still feels springy. A little click on 4. Three feels set. Nothing on 2. One's not really giving me much feedback either. 7 feels pretty tight. 6 is a little less loose, but it's still loose. 5 feels kind of funky. I might have that in either a false set or it's in a spool after a couple serrations. I'm not sure yet. Nothing on 4. That feels set. I'll click on 2 and I kind of felt like very, very small, maybe a tiny false set. Definitely felt the core move a little bit. Six still feels solid, or 7 feels solid. 6 is actually feeling tight again, or tight now. That actually feels like it might be set. Click on 5. Four's pretty loose. Nothing on 3. All right, I think we're gonna probably call that for now. I'll definitely keep playing with this. That's not the last time you're gonna see that lock. But yeah, just wanted to show that off. I'm pretty excited to play with this one for the next little while. And thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later.